Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Let's get straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. So, what's really happening? We started with the Euro USD on a 4 hours time frame. We can easily see that yes, the market is actually flying. You can see that the market is actually flying. We saw CPI going down, and then we started to see the market pushing to the upside. With this type of a structure, sometimes it's difficult to know where to sell or where to buy because the market actually pushed up aggressively. So, but it seems like the market is trying to push lower. But where we are now, I think we have a sort of a resistance. There is enough room for the market to do what? To push lower. On the bottom side, we also have a sort of a support. Let me just push that further. We're gonna have something like this. And let me just go closer and try to see what's really happening. So on top, I'm going to actually place my resistance area. And on the bottom side, I'm going to place a sort of a support area. If I go on a smaller time frame, you're going to see that there is something there. Let me see. Let me see. You can see that we have something on top of there. We have a resistance. On the bottom side, we have a support area. Even though it's not really perfect, you can see the market respected this area. On the bottom side, we also have something like a support. So for me to say maybe I'm going to sell, I will wait for the market to break this area and start to push to the lowest side. Do you see that? That might actually help us to have a very nice sell. If not, maybe this area is going to be a very solid resistance. Then we can say maybe the market will push to the upside. But anyways, as I just want to make this video very quick, I will push to the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. As I said, tomorrow we'll be going back to our normal schedules. We'll be going on the live sessions and stuff like that. So for you to not to miss those sessions, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. You can still join our team for $39. $39, not rands, guys. With rands, I think it's almost 720 around there. So this is Bitcoin. Let's see what's really happening on Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is actually on an uptrend. I think we took a very long time and not analyzing Bitcoin. I saw someone said, Kenzo, can you do Bitcoin? And I said, okay, I'll try to check that because even before I used to actually check Bitcoin. So on 4 hours time frame, we can see that slowly the market is trying to do what? The market is trying to push to the upside. On the bottom side, you can easily see that we have a very nice support area. And now it seems like the market is going towards that support. So if it reaches that area, we will expect to buy around this area. On top here, obviously, you can see that we have a sort of a resistance around 32,000. That is sort of a resistance. If the market breaks that, obviously, as we are on an uptrend, it means that we will be thinking about buying above this area, or maybe the market will come around the support area. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. I'm trying to be as quick as possible as I'm already late. You can see the time there. I'm already a bit late. What's really happening on GBP USD? The market is already, you can see the market is flying actually. The market pushed up. But if you check, we have a very nice support area on the bottom side. You can see that around these areas. So we see that we have something. So my point here is we can just wait for the market to do what? To reach this support area and push to the upside. That's what I'm expecting. So for now, I will just say we have a resistance there. I'm expecting a very nice push, even though the market has been actually playing games there. The market has been ranging around that area. It seems like the market doesn't really want to push to the upside. So Euro JPY quite similar, But on Euro JPY, I think we have a different structure. I think the market, yes, the market was still actually on a bullish momentum. Still on a bullish momentum. So we easily see that the market reached this area. We can't say that the market reached our support area, but around this area, we see that the market is pushing to the upside. And that is actually our support area. So if you missed that, it's fine. I think we still have enough time. The market can still come back around those areas. Let me clear this once. Let me clear this. While I'm still clearing this, you can actually smash the subscribe button. So what's happening here is I can say, since my support is very closer, I'm just waiting for the market to do what? To reach this support area and push the upside. Do you see that? I'm waiting for that. Around this area, we also had a sort of a support. That is actually something. So let me just mark that area. Let's mark this area. Little bit lower. Yes, something like that. So you can see that I'm expecting the market to do what? To reach this point before I think about buying. Or maybe the market will break this area and start to push to the lowest side. So anyways, let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. Remember, next week we have sorry, we have interest rates or FOMC from the US. So it means it's going to be a very great week. So this week the market might actually just consolidate because we're expecting the market to actually push up or down. And next week we're expecting them to increase. If not, it means they might pause with the interest rate. So now we are on JPY. We can see the market was actually on a very nice support. The market pushed up. So I'm expecting the market to actually come back around this support before we see another push. Or since the market has been pushing up, maybe we will see the market pushing lower. I hope you see that. So let me try to zoom. Let me try to zoom. So you can see, I'm just expecting the market to come around this support. Then I'm expecting to do what? To continue on this uptrend. If not, the market will show me if maybe we are breaking out. Now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? Quite similar to what happened last week. And also yesterday, we are still on an uptrend. We see that the market broke out of that resistance. You can still go back on my analysis and watch what happened before. So but you can see we had a resistance which was broken. Now the market is creating a resistance here. So what I want here is I just want the market to break out, or maybe the market will go back to retest around this area, 1930 around there, before maybe we see another push. But there is a chance for the market just to play around here, as there is FOMC next week. And it's very, 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 very high impact news, or very important, you see. So quite similar to US30. What's really happening on US30? So the market is still playing around that resistance. Yes, we see that the market was pushing to the upside. You can see that. But on the top here, or above that area, it's a resistance, which is very, very strong. And the market is unable to break that. So what we can do here is we can just wait for a breakout, or maybe the market will do what? Will go back and play around our support areas. But what we can do here is we just have to wait and see. I think this week, guys, we just have to relax. This week might be very complicated. The market might just not move that much, especially before the news. And I hope you understand that. What's really happening, especially when we don't actually have a crazy high impact news this week. So it means everyone or investors, they will be just watching to what might happen on FOMC. So, but the inflation was very nice. The inflation was very good, which means there is actually a chance that they might pause. If they pause, we will see the market actually continuing pushing to the upside. But beside that, what's really happening on NASDAQ? We can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is pushing to the upside. So I'm also expecting the market to shoot to the upside for now, or with this type of analysis, with the analysis of the structures that we have, I'm expecting to see the market pushing up. The market is just creating some crazy structures here, which makes no sense. I think I will have to push I will have to push this resistance around to this area. And if maybe the market pushes above that point, I will then think about buying above that. But I'm expecting a very nice reversal before we see a very nice push. Or since everyone is expecting high impact news, the market might actually push slower. The market might push slower, and it might not be easier for us to actually take trades, and sometimes it will be confusing. So the best way is to do what? Sometimes is to relax and wait for the economic news. They're going to be on Wednesday, and see if maybe they're increasing or not. If they're increasing, it's where we might see the market trying to push lower. But as we already expect them to increase, I think the market might sell before pushing to the upside. Don't forget to join the team for only $39. $39, just WhatsApp me. You can check the description. You will find my WhatsApp link. Let me know. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.